Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. Here we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Prequel and you click in this page of app on full. You click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.